Hello everybody, Mark McRae here. Thanks for joining me today. Today's video is a video covering the topology for animation for the chest and arms of a human character. Now I had recorded this already, but unfortunately my mic was turned off while I was doing the actual retopology. So this video is now just going to be a time lapse with me talking over some of the more major points. And then at the end, we'll just come back to this finished product and go through just some of the loops and talk about, where you want to get your topology to be. So let's just dive right in and get to the talk over of the time lapse. Hope this helps. Enjoy. I'll talk to you again soon. So I always start out the chest into the arms with this edge loop that goes around the chest and around the shoulders. And we want to make sure that this piece is divisible by 8 because the base of our topology is 8. So I'm just, spreading out to show how that would cut out. And then we're going to put in the actual loop here. So it's going to be 16 around. Basically think of it as 2 times the legs or 2 times the arms. So 8 and 8, 16 on each side. So we're going to have a total size of 32. I hope that math makes sense. So we're just double checking, make sure that we got the 32 accurately. So then the next loop that you want to make sure that you always have is this loop that's going to go up around and strap the shoulder and then also down into the armpit. And then you want to try and get this nice U loop to get that good deformation for the shoulder. So space this out. So we're getting this edge loop in to define the bicep. Now this is one of those loops and extra deformation areas that you don't really need on your model, but it's something that can be nice if you're going to have some blend shapes with the bicep or a little extra animation in that area, or even just extra definition for the model, not even necessarily for animation, just to get that extra definition. So I'm just continuing this around, and from here the next large portion of the video is just me going through and solving and resolving this entire area, making sure that I've got the topology that I need for the type of deformation that I want, and that all of my edge loops are coming together properly, that that everything terminates. I want nice little loops in for my armpit for that extra detail, plus to help me terminate down into the 8 rings that I need for into the wrist and the arm. So I'm starting to notice that I don't really have the correct number of polygons under my armpit that I want. So I need to start reducing that down. And I take it down, but this is still a mistake. So here I finally get it fixed, and we have the proper topology that we want. So I'm just slowly getting the elbow area resolved. Some tighter topology to cover into that pinch in the elbow, and then I'm just pulling out for the arm. I get everything close, and I use the relax function to get everything averaged out, and then I just cut away the wrist because I have my relax set that it only works on interior vertices, so that exterior loop won't move. So I want to just go down one loop, and everything's nice and clean. And here I am just cutting out the elbow. So here, very important, I pulled down on the side there because I knew that was the loop that I needed to work exactly. And then from there, matching up the sides and then the spine, I can start trying to resolve, okay, what geometry do I need? What geometry do I not need? And I want to get something in for the shoulder blades to cover that area. So I start trying to put in loops, trying to sort out, you know, how do I want this to work? Where do I want this to go? So tear that all down. It's not working. So I see, I want that to come out from there, create this nice, there, that gets me where I want it to be. And just start getting that cleaned up. I'm taking a look at it and I see that I do want one extra piece of one extra loop in there. So again, same thing as the back. I connect that area down the sternum, and then I try to start resolving the area in between. And then here I'm just getting the neck set up into the from the shoulders into the neck, making sure that I've got my topology flowing the way I want it to. And we're pretty much there. Okay, so this is our finished retopology of the chest. So we just double check to see, you know, how all our loops are working, that everything's nice and clean. Got all the areas grouped that I want. Very happy with this result. So those are the two major loops that you want to have, that across the chest, down the arm, the strap that goes under the armpit. Super important. Yeah. That is it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you find these tutorials helpful. If you have any suggestions or anything else that you'd like to see as I'm going along, continue to work on my Introduction to Modeling and Maya series, let me know. And thanks for all your support, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.